Hello YouTubers, it's Dragon Wings Man here again to do another unboxing, and today's my unboxing is Gemini Jets Delta Boeing 757-200, so with winglets. So let's unbox it. I did really want a Delta aircraft, and this is also special because it's got the winglets, but it's my fourth 757, but I don't mind them. It's a great looking plane. I'll get you a close up of it now. So I got this on eBay. I usually get most of my planes on eBay if you've already noticed, but it is a really good looking model. I'll just give you a close up. There's the tail, there's the registration, there's the winglets. Winglets look really good. There's the nose, and it's the the newish livery of Delta on it, which is just even better. Really nice looking plane. Great addition to my collection, as I usually say as well. But yeah, really nice. It's gonna go nice with my airport and my collection. So there you go. I should be doing more unboxing videos soon, so stay tuned. Okay.